What if I told you that you don't need money to start making money? That's right. Some of the best side hustles require $0 to start. No investments, no inventory, just you, your skills, and your phone or laptop. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 of the best side hustles you can start with $0. No experience, no special skills, and no upfront costs. And stay tuned until the end, because I've got a secret hustle that people are making thousands with right now. Let's get started. Why start a side hustle? Maybe you want to pay off debt. Quit your 9-to-5 or just have extra money for travel, shopping, or investing. A side hustle gives you more freedom, no boss, no office, unlimited income potential. The harder you work, the more you make. A safety net, because one stream of income is too risky. And the best part? These side hustles don't require a single dollar to start. Side hustle number 1, freelancing. Get paid for skills you already have. If you can write, edit, design, or do basic social media tasks, you can start freelancing today. How to get started with $0. Go to Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com and create a profile. Offer simple services like writing, logo design, social media management, or video editing. Use AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva to speed up your work. Example: I know someone who started writing blog posts for $10 each. Within 6 months, they were making over $5,000 a month. Side hustle no. 2, flipping free items for profit. Did you know you can get free stuff and sell it for 100% profit? How to get started with $0. Look for free items on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and OfferUp. Refurbish or clean them up if needed. Sell them back on eBay, Poshmark, or even at local flea markets. Example: some people find free furniture, repaint it, and flip it for hundreds of dollars. It's literally free money waiting for you. Side hustle no. 3, content creation. Make money by posting online. If you're scrolling social media every day, why not make money from it? How to get started with $0. Pick a platform: YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Create content about anything: finance, fitness, gaming, food, whatever you love. Monetize through ads, brand deals, and affiliate links. Example: one viral video can make you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And speaking of viral videos, this side hustle made me $10,000 with $0. Imagine this: you open your phone, click a button, and get paid. Sounds fake? It's not. It's affiliate marketing, and people are making thousands without spending a single dollar. Here's how it works. Step 1. Sign up for a free affiliate program: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Step 2. Get a special referral link for a product. Step 3. Share that link in YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, or blog posts. When someone clicks it and buys, you get paid. Some people are making $10,000 plus per month without ever touching a product. Try this for just 1 month and see how much you make. Side hustle no. 4, print on demand. Sell merch without inventory. No money? No problem. With print on demand, you can sell t-shirts, hoodies, and phone cases without ever touching inventory. How to get started with $0. Sign up for Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. All 100% free. Upload simple designs. Use Canva or AI tools to create them. Get paid when people buy without printing, shipping, or handling returns. Example: some people are making $1,000 plus per month just selling simple text-based designs. Side hustle number 5, social media management. Brands will pay you. Every business needs social media, but most owners don't have time for it. How to get started with $0. Reach out to local businesses and offer to manage their social media. Use free tools like Canva to make simple posts. Charge $300 to $1,000 per month per client. Example: one social media manager I know started with one client at $500 a month. Within a year, they were making $8,000 plus a month. If you're already spending hours on Instagram or TikTok, why not get paid for it? Bonus: the easiest $0 side hustle to start today. If you want the absolute easiest way to start making money today, sign up for a freelance gig, flip free items, or start affiliate marketing. You don't need experience. You don't need money. You just need to start. Final thoughts. Which side hustle will you start? Now you know 5 of the best side hustles you can start with $0. Freelancing. Get paid for skills you already have. Flipping free items. Turn free stuff into profit. Content creation. Make money posting online. Print on demand. Sell merch without inventory. Social media management. Get paid to post for businesses. Which side hustle excites you the most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more money-making strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.